So here's this laptop, and I updated some drivers and it's not working ever since. Usually it gives some blue screens. Preparing automatic repair. Diagnosing your PC. And automatic repair couldn't repair your PC. So we have the option to shut it down and advanced options. Okay, so let's try advanced options. Continue will load Windows 10, which is not working. Use another operating system. I don't have any additional ones. Turn off. I don't want to turn it off, so troubleshoot. That's the only option. Reset this PC. Let's try that one. Keep my files or remove everything. Keep my files. There was a problem resetting your PC. No changes were made. Cancel. So back again to troubleshoot. Reset and remove everything. There was a problem resetting your PC. So resetting is totally unfunctional. Back to troubleshoot. Reset is unusable. Let's go to advanced options. System restore. Next, driver pack. Let's select that one. Next, you must enable system protection on this drive. I cannot check anything there. Spacebar is not working, mouse click is not working, and next is grayed out. So system restore is not going to work. Cancel it. Troubleshoot, advanced, system restore. Let's try another restore point. Next. Windows update. Next. It's asking the same thing and I cannot select it. And next is grayed out. Okay, back. Show more restore points. There's another one. Select that one. Next. And the same thing. I cannot select that C drive. So back. Back. Cancel. So let's go back to troubleshoot. Advanced. And system restore is not usable either. Uninstall updates. Let's try that one. Uninstall latest quality update. Uninstall quality update. We ran into a problem and won't be able to uninstall the latest quality update. So that's not working. Close. Back to troubleshoot. Advanced. Uninstall updates. Uninstall feature update. Uninstall feature update. We ran into a problem, won't be able to uninstall. So feature update is not working. Back to troubleshoot, back to advanced. So the first two are not working. System image recovery. We cannot find a system image on this computer. Attach a backup hard drive, DVD, nothing. So we have to cancel it. Select the system image. Next, I don't have any. So cancel that one. Back to troubleshoot, advanced options. System restore, uninstall updates, system image recovery is unusable. Startup repair. Diagnosing your PC. Startup repair couldn't repair your PC. Shut down or advanced options. So advanced options. Back to troubleshoot, back to advanced. Startup is not working. Command prompt. Notepad is working. I can use Notepad, file and open. I can use this one to access my data at least. It says 3 drives, local C drive, which is 200 megabyte. That is just the system partition. That's not a real C drive. We have a 222 gigabyte. Now that would be the real C drive. Currently it's called D. And we have an E drive, which is 800 megabytes. That has to be in the RAM, in the memory, I think. I'm not sure. And we have another X drive, which is 500 megabytes. And it's free. It's empty. Okay, so from here, at least I can access, I can copy, cut, and so on. I can access my data and use a USB flash drive, for example, and back up something. So that would be useful. Let's see, Explorer. That is not working. So Notepad can be used as a file manager. Notepad's file and open section. Okay, so back to troubleshoot, advanced. Command prompt is somewhat useful to back up your data. Startup settings. Let's see that one. And from here, if we click on restart, we should be able to access these features. And safe mode is there. So let's try that one. Restart. Okay, and from this list, enable safe mode. Let's try that one. So that's the fourth one. Just press 4 on the keyboard. number 4, and safe mode should start theoretically. Let's see what will happen. Critical process died. So that was the blue screen and the stop code that I received, and it's not working. So in this case, you can use Notepad as a file manager, Notepad's file and open section as a file manager, and at least you can back up your data, copy it, move it to a USB flash drive, and none of these options which were here in Windows could repair the PC, and we do it once again. So advanced options, and it's back to the same menu. So Windows is unusable. If I click on continue, theoretically I should get the same blue screen as before. Yes, critical process died. Your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart. So in this case, get a USB flash drive, make it bootable with an ISO file of Windows 10 and install a new Windows. Okay, hold the power button and that should turn off the laptop.